Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is 6 in the morning and we are up doing our mommy duties, right? We gotta brush our teeth. So in this vlog, we will be going to get some roses, going to the supermarket, getting gas, you know, making some deviled eggs, doing fun stuff, getting her hair done. This is basically Sunday, getting ready for Monday. Ooh, let me see the hair. Turn around. Ooh, I'm getting better. Look how nice it is. Yes. Huh? You like it? Let them see this side.
Let them see the eater.
All right, so I'm gonna wash her clothes by hand. This is what I use. I'm filling up the you know, sink, whatever. This is what I use. So I just pour a little bit in here. Okay, because y'all already know toddlers, they wet themselves and they go through stuff. And I use this because it's cold season. I love this. It smells so good. So I'm going to just fill this up and be back.
I need to go to the park with my dog.
Okay, well, just come wave. You don't want to wave?
No. Okay, I want to wave. I'm going to eat. We're taking my toe?
Yeah, I'm cleaning your clothes.
So them have these chairs?
Yes, clean.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, Booter. Hey, who did that?
Mommy back. They can't see you. Look, do it down. You gotta do it down here. Down, bend down. Okay, give me a kiss. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you about to get in? You better help me.
Oh, whoa.
Here, you go wash your stuff. Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
Do it like this.
I threw a patty.
Yeah, you get to wash the pants. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Dub, dub, dub.
They can't see it. Scrub.
Lovely.
Good. Very good.
Now put in the water.
Put in the water. Thank you.
Then this.
Yeah, wring it out. There it is. Good job.
All done.
All done.
Now
Thank
do
you.
another patty.
Yeah.
And then I want another patty.
It's yours.
Now what? Dub, 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 dubs. Dub, dub, dub.
How pretty.
Now put in the water.
Torn.
Really tall patty.
Get your hangers.
A top.
Okay, don't be careful. Don't splash the water.
Now the patty. I just heard.
Thank you. Okay, so this is my first time making deviled eggs. Let me know in the comment section below. Did y'all ever try this? I loved it. So West Indian people love to make deviled eggs for every occasion. Let me just tell you, every occasion. All right, you done know. But I love it. So I never really made it because I never had to. I was a little spoiled sometimes when relatives would come over. Hey, so you already know. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. So I'm having her help me, but I'm sorry guys that the camera, I was holding it the wrong way. I'm about to get me a vlogging camera. I think I'm going to get me like a Sony, or I'm trying to see because I watch Kyra Amanique and
get one.
She has this bomb camera and it's so clear. So let me see. In case you haven't noticed, my girl loves some chocolate chip cookies just like her mama. Yes, so if you ever want to get me anything, guys, ladies, anyone, give me some chocolate. I love it. But yeah, I'm putting this in the oven while she is watching TV because I'm just that mom and I have to do anything that I can to please my baby. So this is what I'm doing. Let me know, do y'all like to bake? Who bakes? Which one of my subscribers is the baking champion? Because let me tell you something. I want to have a bake-off because I just recently, I'm gonna show y'all in a short, I recently have been baking bread, and the buns that I make are amazing. Amazing. Just want to let you know. So now that I said that and I put it all out there, y'all let me know in the comment section, do you love baking? Like, would you rather store-bought cake, store-bought cookies, or homemade? Like, let me know, because OMG, I love it. Absolutely. But look at how good they look. Ooh, ooh, crispy. Okay, I'm waiting. But I heard it's supposed to be some snow coming again, and y'all already know y'all gonna see some more cooking videos, because I will be cooking and making some juice. Let me know what kind of juice y'all want me to make. Do you juice? Do y'all juice? Let me know. So I'm getting some gas. It's time to go home. But I'm getting 93. But let's see. Let me see if I want to bust a move. Hey. Send my love to your new lover. Treat her better. Hey, get it? I know. Had to have a little bit of fun before this Benz pulls up behind me, because I don't know what they was on. But honey, why people always want to look at you when you recording? Have you not watched YouTube? Who is living in the stone age where you don't see vloggers everywhere you go? Somebody is always pulling out their phone, pulling out their camera. Like, what is going on? They pulled up behind me and they was like staring me down, ice grilling me. I had to literally move my phone and mind my business, because that's what I was doing, right? But check out my Gucci socks. Where I'm going. I tell you, if I was in New York, I would never look like this. Y'all already know. This is illegal. Illegal behavior in New York. Ooh, look at them. Nosy. They was just, I said, thank God that thing said click. I was gone. In 3, 2, 1. Bye. But look at these roses. Ooh-wee. So every Friday, I buy my daughter, who is 4, some roses. Yes, I do. I get her some yellow roses, and I make her feel special, because she is. So I let her know. But the white ones for purity, I get those Friday, and I'm deciding which one I should get here. But I'm going to get those ones in the back, the red ones for my granny. I get granny some roses. I get my daughter roses, and hopefully soon I will be happy.
Hey, Sdjk&x.
So y'all already know Valentine's Day coming up. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. Let me let you listen to the music. I didn't want to get copywritten, so y'all already know I am not with that. YouTube do not be playing. The music be playing in the back. No. So it was just some store music, but she was just going in. It's cute. We was shopping. We in a mall, getting some stuff, getting some last minute things, walking around, looking at this, looking at that, looking at some baby clothes I need to get. Looking at, what else? Some clothes for her. I bought some sneakers. I bought some boots. I bought everything that she needs. You okay? Okay. But look at this store. So cute. So cute. You like? How y'all like that music? Well, I'm trying to get better. I keep on trying to get this YouTube music, but I think I have to be on a laptop, because I'm on my phone. I'm so confused, and I try to reach out to other content creators, but I guess when you're not making that much on YouTube, other people ignore you, which is so rude. But hey, what can I say? I guess, once I hit a million, gazillion, trillion, then they'll acknowledge me. But anywho, we in Macy's. Look at these two. They so cute. We in Macy's, and I am looking for some cute outfits. You know what I mean? Getting everything going. But where do y'all like to shop? And what are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? I don't know if I'm going to make a video for that, but hey. Because it's not really a holiday. Every day is Valentine's Day. Hey. Hey, girl, hey. Every day is Valentine's Day in my house because I spoil myself and I spoil my baby. So, how cute are these baby clothes? Oh, I love Carter's. The material is so good. Like, oh my goodness. I'm in love. I have baby fever. I don't care. But I see everybody on my timeline preggers. So I guess I'm next. Because you know how the universe works. I love those plaids. I love this polar bear. I love. Aww. How cute. I want a boy so bad. Oh my goodness. Oh, so I just made some vegetable lo mein. Okay. Let me know how it's looking. Delicious. I already know. But let me know in the comments. Do y'all eat lo mein? What you call it? Chow mein or lo mein? Put some of the soy sauce, but just a little bit because I don't want that salt. Go this way. I got Zales. Oh. This is nice. Oh. Yeah.